In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add a collaborator and send an invite for a collaboration on an Instagram reel after you've already posted it. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips. This feature is handy if you've posted a reel but forgot to add someone as a collaborator. Let's get started. First, find the reel you want to work with. You can head to your profile page to locate it. For example, let's say I want to use this reel. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner. In the menu that appears, scroll down and choose Edit to modify your reel. Once you're on the edit page, scroll down and tap Tag People. Here, you'll see the option to invite collaborators. Select the person you want to invite by tapping on their account. After selecting them, tap on Invite to Collaborate. Once you're ready, hit Done in the top right, and an invitation will be sent to the selected person. After they accept, their name will appear at the top of the reel. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.